the hell is Lisa? Who is she?
Give me my phone.
No.
Give me my phone. I'm done.
Amir.
Yo, me and you.
Amir.
Over.
No, Amir.
Over.
Amir,
Get
please.
off of me.
Amir, don't.
Get off of me.
Amir.
I'm not drowning. I am flying on the wings of an angel to find you. I'm not falling. I'm following footprints in the sand, and all that's left of me is chasing ghosts.
So I guess it's true what they say. Coaches coach, but players make plays. Back to you, Alex. Hey. Hey, how's your week been?
Busy, busy, busy.
Oh, I understand that. I understand that. So listen, you got time for dinner for me tonight?
No, tonight's not good. I have to wake up at 4 a.m. to exercise.
Okay, okay. Well, how about tomorrow night?
Nah, I'm gonna be with my family like all day. So, yeah, tomorrow's no good.
Right. No, I can understand that. Well, look, just give me a call when you're free. You know, we'll get down. Just hit me.
All right.
Ugh. Hey. I miss y'all too. What are y'all doing? You want to get some food or something? Maybe a little bit later?
Athlete.
Light skin,
Light
long
skin,
hair.
really pretty eyes.
I saw her. I know who you're talking about.
I mean, do you think I should keep going?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Not exclusively.
Hey,
I mean, of
hey.
course, but
I mean,
How was her personality, though? For real.
it's not about that.
come on, brother.
It's about the backside.
Okay.
Come on.
How you feel about this, huh?
No, I'm not part of this.
He's like, shut up, guys. Be quiet. I know. I'll
So,
be friends with him.
2 Cirocs with white grape juice, a water, and for you,
Just get a Sprite with grenadine.
a Shirley Temple.
He's got your number.
Plenty like that, huh?
Man, this brother's almost 30 and still ordering Shirley Temples.
Like, look, perfect example. Look, I like this chick, but could you really see me in a relationship with a kid right now?
Man, hell no.
Nah.
No.
I don't know. Then again, this cat was the first to fall in love until Chelsea broke his heart.
Before my dad became a preacher, he was just like you. Then he met my mom, and she had a kid. He didn't know what to do, so he prayed about it. And he felt like God told him that she was the one. If he wouldn't have done that, then John would have never knew what it was like to have a man in his life. You could be a role model for that kid.
Come on, man. Right now, we're the cream of the crop. Later on, we're older, if we still don't have a chick, then yeah, a lot of these ladies will have kids. That's when you settle for it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Right now, we're the catch.
And Dana's trying to have kids, man. Shit, I don't know if she's the one.
Dude, you've been dating this chick for 6 years.
And?
If you don't know by now, she ain't the one.
Alright, that's true.
Yo, something happened with Don, man. I gotta go.
What?
You say Dawn?
So it sounded like.
It's gonna be okay. Okay?
I miss what we had.
Look, hey, Don. Don, we shouldn't do this.
Just kiss me.
his head.
It's my Uncle Trip. I called him before I called you. You gotta hide. In the closet. Hurry up.
Wait, what? I'm not getting in no closet.
No, please, just trust me. Get in the closet.
Move! Where he at, Dawn?
He's not here.
You lie to me. Took you so damn long to answer the door.
I was asleep. He's really not here.
We'll see about that.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's the line.
I wanna be closer. I just need closure. Don't worry about them other girls. They just want exposure. I found a soulmate and I ain't had to soul search. Love is gonna test you. I did all my homework. I love it. Yeah. This one's for you. What's up, T?